Welcome to Open Walnut, your one-stop shop for all things cyber, cloud, and automation. With our tutorials and engaging content, we will show you how to protect your resources, leverage the power of the cloud, and automate your way to success. Now let's get it cracking. In this video, we will be going over how to generate a wildcard certificate utilizing Certbot and AWS. To follow along, you require to have a hosting provider. In our case, we will be using AWS and we will be utilizing EC2. Additionally, you require to have a domain and have access to the domain DNS settings. Initially, we will make sure that we have an instance running. We will be using AWS for our case, but feel free to use any hosting provider that you prefer. You will require to have an SSH connection to your server or a console. We'll be clicking on connect from the AWS site, copy the command, go to our terminal and paste this. We'll press enter. We'll say yes. And there we go. We have confirmed that we connected to our EC2 instance. We're going to start now with installing our scripts. First step is to update our system. Sudo dnf update. There's no updates available. Now we do the Python sudo dnf install python 3-y. The Python is already installed. Perfect. Now we're going to do sudo dnf install python 3 pip and we say -y, so it's going to install pip for us. We need another library, which is sudo dnf install aegis and then libs. I have a typo right there. We do a sudo dnf install -libs. We say yes. Now this is installed. We're going to install our certbot. So sudo python 3. And then we can create a virtual environment. In opt and then certbot. The next command is to do the sudo dnf. Actually, it's going to be sudo opt certbot, and then it's going to be bin pip install -- upgrade pip first. So make sure our pip libraries are up to date. I'm going to press up, and now we install the certbot. For the next step, we're going to do a certbot. We're going to utilize the following command. We're going to do the sudo, the certbot file, and then we do the cert only. We're going to do it manually. We do the preferred challenge. It's going to be over HTTP. The domain, this is going to be a star, and then your domain. You agree to TOS, manual public IP logging is okay, preferred challenge, and then the DNS server, and then register unsafely without email, and then RSA key. We're going to press enter. And now it's requesting us to add the following record to our DNS provider for the TXT type. So we're gonna go to our DNS. We'll be adding our TXT record underscore acme dash challenge, and that's the value. Click on save. Ready? That is. I would like to remind you, if you have not done so, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now let's get back to the video. Add it. Let's do lookup, make sure that is done. So MX toolbox. I'm gonna go to super toolbox and we're gonna look up for a TXT record. And it's gonna be following domain. And we can see our TXT record is there, 60 minutes. We can click on enter. It's validating. And our private key and the food chain is created right here.